All right, so we're installing carbon fiber pieces on a 2008 GSXR 600. So you're gonna wanna take off the back seat first and also this seat just in case the screw falls through. So what you're gonna wanna do is after you take off this part, there's 4 pieces you're gonna pop. 2 right here, 2 right here, and then screws on the inside on both sides. I'm gonna try to show you if I can. The one screw is right there. So we're gonna go ahead and take this off real quick. We got a long head right here that goes directly on there and it just unscrews. And then, hold that real quick. And then we have a picker, which you guys probably don't even have, but what this allows us to do is once the screw is basically undone, it allows us to just grab the screw and clamp it and pull it down. So that's what we will do. So let's go to the next part. Yo, change of plans. We got a magnet right here. This is a magnet that'll fit right underneath. And we're just gonna have it underneath the whole time while we're unscrewing it. So I'll show you guys the first screw after this is done. All right, so there's the screw right there. So if you have the bike, screw is right down in there. We're gonna go ahead and take it out now. Screw number 1 is out. I highly suggest getting a magnet that could fit in there. Screw number 2 is out. So we got, these screws are small too. We got both screws right there. Once again, they're hidden on the insides about right here and right on this side. Now we're gonna take off these 2 bolts. All right, so what you're gonna wanna do, here's the 4 pieces that were in these holes right there. Just literally grab the top right here, just pinch it and pull up and it'll squeeze this part together and it'll allow it to pop through the hole. That part was pretty easy. The next part of the process is gonna be these 2 black top things, clips, whatever you wanna call them. So I'm just taking a screwdriver and trying to pop it up, and it comes out. It might be a little bit difficult, but it pops out just like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and remove these pieces off along with this black piece right here. Okay, change of plans, guys. This is the carbon fiber piece that I did not think it was, but it literally connects. So it starts here, takes off this whole part, and also goes on the underside too. So there's gonna be 2 screws. There's one right there and one back on that side. You can't even see with all those wires, but that's gonna allow us to remove this off because you have to unsnap them, and then it'll be able to allow us to take this part off too. Change of plans. Leave those screws alone, don't change them. There's 4 pieces right here you gotta pop out underneath. 1, 2, 1, 2, right there. This whole piece is gonna come off as one. We'll show you. Boom. Boom. Pulls it out. All right, the whole piece is gonna come off like this. Now we gotta unscrew this part to get the blinker off. Bingo. And then this is the lock part, so we have to go from the back side to undo the lock. All right, so we had to pop out the blinker. This is what this side looks like now. It goes all the way down right there, and it's all underneath too. Now we're gonna go ahead and pop these screws back in. 1, 2, 3, and then Obviously the seat hole is gonna go right there. And then we're gonna pop in the screw on the back side as well.
I just put this piece in first. Let's squeeze in.
Just clips in like that. You have the 1 right here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You put the clip in, it'll pop. Then you take the top part, and you just push, and it clamps it together. Bingo. And here's the finished product.